Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let me show you how to make hot chocolate cheesecake for Christmas. So it's finally the sweater weather and this cozy holiday season calls for this hot chocolate cheesecake. Perfect for your Christmas party and a cross between hot chocolate and cheesecake. Without any delay, let's get baking. So to begin the recipe, first you want to crush some Oreos and take it up in a large cake pan. Also add some melted unsalted butter to it. Combine both of these together to make your crust and refrigerate for 30 minutes so that it sets perfectly. Next, we are going to make the cheesecake filling. For that, I'm going to take some cream cheese. Next goes in some heavy cream along with some hot chocolate mix. I'm using store-bought hot chocolate mix. You can also make it at your home. You can find the recipe for this in the description box below. Beat it all together so that the cheesecake mix gets all creamy and smooth enough. Then pour it over your set cheesecake crust. And once you have completely poured it all, use an offset spatula or a knife to even it out completely and then refrigerate it overnight, or you can even freeze it as long as it sets quickly. Since it's the cold season, so it will set very quickly and perfectly. Once it gets refrigerated perfectly, you can see how amazing it looks. It's such a perfect dessert, perfect for your Christmas party. Make it even more indulging by adding some melted dark chocolate on top, because a little dark chocolate goes a long way into making this even more delicious and decadent. Even it out, smoothen on the top using an offset spatula, and once you've done that, you don't want to forget adding the whipped cream frosting to it, because every hot chocolate needs a whipped cream frosting, and it's the holiday season. A little extra weight, a little extra carbs do not count here, right? So just add the frosting over your cheesecake, and once that's done, you want to top with some marshmallows and butterscotch chips. You can add chocolate chips as well, or anything like Christmas sprinklers as well. It's the holiday season, so have as much fun as you want to into making this one. Have a great holiday and Merry Christmas everyone. Find the full recipe and all the alterations in the description box below. Follow me for more such easy and delicious Christmas recipes, and Merry Christmas everyone. So this is how you make hot chocolate cheesecake for Christmas. Do give this a try, and if you have any questions, post it below in the comment section. You can find the full recipe and all the alterations and measurements in the description box below. Hot chocolate cheesecake is one of my favorite Christmas dessert recipe, which you should definitely give it a try. It's a new take on hot chocolate and along with cheesecake. I'm sure you'll enjoy watching this recipe. Give this a try and let me know if you enjoyed learning about this recipe. Also, let me know which next Christmas dessert you want to see me baking in my kitchen. Have a great holiday and Merry